Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows 10 look like Windows 7. So I'm using Windows 10 PM for this. So first you have to download a software called Classic Shell from the internet. You can make a Google search and you will find it very easily. You have to download it and install it. Installation is very easy. Just open the file and keep moving forward with the installation by pressing next and done. So once it has been done, you have to collect two different files. One is Windows 7 default wallpaper. You can make a Google search in the image.google.com page by typing Windows 7 stock wallpaper. You will find it very easily. And another thing you have to find is Windows 7 start menu icon for Classic Shell. So for Classic Shell you can easily find it by searching Windows 7 start menu icon PNG file for Classic Shell. You will find it easily in Google search pages. You have to download the package from one of those websites. So once you have done it, all this, you have to right click on start menu. As you already have installed Classic start menu, it will show this pop-up window. You have to click on settings and click on replace start button and click on custom, then click on pick image. So you have to choose the Windows 7 icon style that you wanna use. So you can choose any of them from here. So I'm gonna choose this one and click open. So you can see it is like Windows 7 now, or you can choose any other option as well. It's completely upon you. So once you have selected it, you can see the settings is start menu icon is Windows 7 So after this, you have to select Windows 7 style in here. So when you open the start menu, it will be like Windows 7. Then here you will find the option called select skin. Click on that, and here it is selected Metro. You have to you can change it to Windows Arrow. Now you can see the whole start menu is completely like Windows 7. So basically this is the basic customization. You can customize more like Windows 7, but this actually looks like Windows 7 99%. So after this you have to open the Windows 7 wallpaper and set as desktop background by right clicking on it. So after this you can do is right click and click on personalize. So my Windows PM is not activated, so after opening the settings you have to go to colors, and in here you can choose your accent color. Automatically pick an accent color from my background that will make this taskbar like the accent color, that you have chosen. For that you have to also turn this option start taskbar and action center, or you can customly choose a color from the Windows 7 color scheme. So after all this, your Windows 10 will look 99% like Windows 7, and you can customize further from the Classic start menu settings to make it look 100% like Windows 7. So if you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.